Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. What's the word with y'all boys and girls? What's the word? Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. How we feeling today, yo? Feeling today, man. Hey, Pete. Pete. Okay. Hey, today's a beautiful day, man. I ain't gonna lie. We had to low key get some sun. Gotta get some sun in this bitch. It ain't even really all that sunny outside, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's been raining for like the past 3, 4 days, bro. Been gloomy as shit. Like some Oregon weather. Just depressing, bro. Straight, straight, just booty weather, bro. I ain't gonna lie, just wet and soppy, soggy, moist weather, bro. Can't walk outside in a pair of Air Force Ones kind of weather, bro. Like this shit nasty, man. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me do something real quick, yo. There you go. Now, today, per usual, trading trading NQ. Waiting for that 9:30 bell. 30 bell. If y'all had, for those who had perfect attendance to yesterday's stream, man, hey, look. Say, bro. Say, bro. Yesterday was a eventful day. Yesterday was something to be shared and remembered, bro. TP Smackle blew his funded. TP Smackle blew his funded, bro. TP Smackle blew his funded, bro. Blew my funded yesterday, bro, on some bullshit. Hey, cause, bro, mind you, prior to that, I had already over traded on my shit during Asia, right? Then it's like I sized down, bro. I think I just got too antsy, bro. I had got ants in my pants, bro. I had trigger finger, bro. So I was like, bro, mind you, I didn't even wait for my trading window macro 950 1010, bro. So it was like, first of all, I traded outside my window. Two, we had, matter of fact, let's look at news. What was news yesterday? What was news yesterday? Uh, what was news yesterday? We had CPI 7:30, well 8:30. We had Warsh testifying at 10. Bro, I shouldn't have even traded yesterday, bro. That's what I'm saying. I was straight bull jobbing, bro. Straight bull jobbing. Like, yo, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Yesterday was a day to remember, bro. A lesson to be learned, bro. Like, man, hey. But shit, it ain't nothing to take a few steps back, recover, rejuvenate, collect ourselves, bro. Hop back on the demo, bro. Hop back on the paper trading, bro. This shit ain't about nothing, bro. Hey, get back in our groove, get back in our system, back in alignment, bro. So, hey, we got 4 minutes to that bell. 4 minutes to that bell, bro. So we about to see what the market has planned for our emotional well-being today. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? So, hey, look. But nah, man, how we feeling today, bro? How we feeling today? Boys, gals, niggas, niggas, how we feeling today, bro? Today's a beautiful day. Hey, I'm feeling great. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm feeling wonderful today, bro. If I'm gonna be honest, today looking most bullish for me. Today looking most bullish for me, bro. Today looking most bullish for me. Just cause, bro, it's like, hey, you see what this got going on, bro. You see what this got going on. trend line most bullish. And it's like we close above this 541. We close above this 541, break structure. Then it's like we see a little bit of consolidation with a break to the upside. Then we see a respect of this high time frame PD array, this hourly gap right here. Then we, you know what I'm saying, we see continuation to the upside, and then boom, also see an invert. Is that it? Is, bro, like split of a hair, bro. That's like not even a gap for real. But we see an inversion of 3 p.m. Tuesday, bro, at 7 p.m. Tuesdays. You see what I'm saying? So after 6 p.m. open, we see that inversion with continuation to the upside up until this new week open gap. And then we start to see a fall. But I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, bias, most bullish. I want to see this 096 get taken, 30096 get taken today. At the very least, that London high, bro. So yeah, bro, we go see what the market got in store for us. We got about 45 seconds to that bell. 45 seconds to that bell. And hey, Pete, pre-market 8:30. We see an inversion of 8 o'clock candle on a 15-minute. So we have this 15-minute inverse fair value gap. I want to see how price. I want to see if price opens lower, plays off of this inverse fair value gap, and if so, I'm most likely gonna take a fair value gap entry model. Most likely gonna trade fair value gap entry model. But my English is chopped. Fuck. Yeah, man. Hey, say in the chat. What is what? Matter of fact, vote. I want to see a vote, bro. Do y'all think market is bullish today or bearish? Bullish or bearish market today, bro? Bullish or bearish market today, chat? Bullish or bearish market today? Do we agree or disagree with my most bullish bias? Do we disagree or do we agree? Yay or do we nay? Trying to see something, man. Hey, look. That bell is open. Market open. Let's go. Market open. Fuck you talking about? Let's go. Let's see what we got, man. Hey. Let's see what we got, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna scale down to the 5-minute real quick. I'm gonna scale down to the 5-minute, and it's crazy because just before market open, we start to see some consolidation. I'm not sure how much that matters, but it's like after tapping into this 15-minute order block, you know what I mean? And this 925 candle respects 910 fair value gap. We might just open lower. But let's see. See what I'm saying? We might just open lower. Chat. We might just open lower into this 15-minute inverse fair value gap, bro. And that's exactly where I want to see if price gonna play around with. I want to see if price gonna mess around with that, bro. Let's see what we gonna do. Come on, man. Let's see what we do, chat. But like I said, hey, I want to see y'all in the chat. What y'all think the bias is for today? Most bullish or most bearish? Most bullish or most bearish, man? Let me know. I know what I think. I know what I'm thinking. I mean, I know what I'm hey, tell me some. I know what I'm going for, bro. I know what I'm going for. We open and lower into this 5-minute fair value gap. And we take out this we just took out this little internal low. That could mean something. Bro. That could mean something. How y'all feeling today, chat? How we feeling today? How we feeling, bro? Let me know, bro. Bro, Pete. Pete, we low key sitting in this 5 minute gap. We sitting in this 5 minute gap, chat. Playing in the sandbox right now. Playing in this little sandbox right now, bro. Playing in this little sandbox right now. Low key, optimal trade entry is down inside of this inverse fair value gap. Is down inside this inverse fair value gap. If that's something we want. But fuck no. Fuck no, bro. Okay. After taking out this 5 minute internal low, we seeing some pullback. Ooh. Up. That's G. I'm tripping. That wasn't. Why was my inverse fair value gap all the way up? Yeah. Ah, bro, but this 15 minute inverse fair value gap, man. I want to see how. I want to see how we do. One's open. Yo, what's good, Black God? What's good, my boy? How we feeling today? How we feeling today? How we feeling today, my boy? Mind you, this bro for one of the discords I'm in. Matter of fact, hey, if you new to the channel, I'm about to throw this Discord in there. I'm about to throw Discord in the chat. Join that hoe. Join that hoe. I'm about to throw the Discord in the chat. Yes. I won my trade this morning. Hey, that's what's up. Hey, matter of fact, what was your It was probably obviously a pre-market entry. What was your entry, bro? Let me know. Let me know. What was your entry? Send a screenshot to my Discord if you can. To my like my DMs and shit. Join up on the trading Discord. If you're new to the channel, join up on the trading Discord, man. Hey, and this shouts out to my boy Baggy, my nigga Yo Baggy. This his shit. Bro, we pushing the movement, bro. Print team, we pushing the movement on bro. We pushing the movement on bro. Print team for the win, fam. We pushing the movement. Hey, down into this 15-minute inverse fair value gap chat. Like I said, that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. No bull. No bull. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. We might actually just completely run through this. Hold up. I want to see something. You know what I'm saying? Crazy candle. Crazy candle. Crazy displacement. It's probably just market open manipulation. Print team stacking them days. You feel what I'm saying? You feel me? Feel me? Low key. Cause it's like pre-market might have gave somebody a good little entry off of this sweep right here of this 5-minute low. It's like, how would you even enter off that? You see this crazy. Somebody was telling me they entered pre-market somewhere around there. I was like, how did you even enter off of that? No way. No way. I wouldn't have even think to catch that. I wouldn't have even thought to catch that. We low key see this 5-minute order block though. 5-minute order block right here. Hey. I'm curious to see what the market gonna present. I'm looking at 816.25. 816.5. Okay. Somewhere around here. Yeah. Where's that? Boom. Hell yeah, somewhere around there. One minute reverse. I peep what you talking. I peep what you talking about, bro. Hey, Loki, we may come down into this hourly gap. We really may just strike this hourly gap on some cool shit. Come down into this order block, see something, and see a market present. May just see something nice, bro. We run through this 5-minute order block, low key. Run through this 5-minute order block. Now I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see where we gonna get stagnant at. I'm trying to see where we gonna start slowing down at. I mean, we got some liquidity pools down here. Low key, I actually kind of want to see price take some fuel from this hourly fair value gap. I want to see price. I want to see price fill up the gas tank at this hourly gap, bro. That's really what I want to see. Cause mind you, Pete, I wanted to see price come down to this 15-minute inverse fair value gap, but we ran straight through that bit. Straight through that bit. But nah, man, how we feeling today, chat? How we feeling today? It's a beautiful day today. I swear it is. Aside from all the rain, bro, it's been gloomy as fuck, bro. It's been raining for like the past 3-4 days, bro. It's been gloomy outside, bro. You can't even wear no drip. You can't even wear no drip outside, bro. You can't even put that shit on right now, bro. Weather gonna tear your shit up. Real, bro. That's what I be saying, bro. People be wondering why I wear all black, bro. I swear, it's bro, all black, bro. Let me tell you something, bro. All black, you can wear all black with everything. Black goes with everything, bro. Like it's just so simple, bro. And it's like, how can you get black dirty, bro? If I wanted to eat some curry goat right now, I wouldn't need no handkerchief. I wouldn't need no napkin, bro. I could wipe my hands on my shirt. You wouldn't even see that shit. My shit wouldn't even get dirty, bro. Now you trying to wear white, you trying to wear blue, and beige, all kinds of other shit, bro. Yo shit, see what I'm saying? Black is power, bro. Bro, I could literally show y'all my closet right now. Turn on the light. The amount of black is going to soak up the light, my nigga. Like, I'm trying to tell you, bro. I only wear black, bro. I only wear black, bro. I only wear black. It's going to soak up every single bit of ray of light that come from that ceiling fan. Or come from that ceiling light, bro. I promise you. Crazy, bro. See? What I'm talking about? We seeing... Off of this 5-minute order block, we seeing some rejection off of here. We seeing some rejection from this 5-minute order block, yo. I still want to see if price gonna come down to this hourly gap. That's our gas station, bro. That's our gas station. Matter of fact, hey, where the where the gas station at? Where the gas at? Let me find. Still continuing lower. Still continuing lower, y'all. Still continuing lower, y'all. Into that hourly gap. Into that hourly gap. Let's go. We feeling up right now. We filling up right now. We filling up that tank, bro. Come on, man. Filling up the gas tank, bro. As I say, bro, we was walking down the side of the road with a gas can, bro. We was on the side of the road, bro. Now we about to take off, bro. Let's see. Now we can take off, bro. Now we about to take off, bro. I can't even find the gas thing, bro. It's our gas station right here. I can't even spell, bro. I can't spell for shit. I can't spell for shit, bro. I swear. Let's see what we do, fam. Okay. I think I peeped. Okay, yeah, I peeped. Okay, yeah, you entered like somewhere over there. Hell yeah. Somewhere right here. Good little trade. Hell yeah, fam. Y'all can probably hear. Nah, y'all probably can't even hear my cat, bro. Matter of fact, I'm about to bring him in here. I'm about to bring the little nigga in here, bro. Hey, for those who are new to the channel, this is Ruben, the risk manager. This is my risk manager. For those who are new to the channel, this is Ruben, the risk manager. This is my risk manager, y'all. Every week we have CEO meetings. Guides me on my risk tolerance for the week. He tells me my risk tolerance for the week. Ruben, the risk manager. Y'all will be seeing more of him. Y'all will be seeing more of him. No cap. He is stamped and approved. LLC, all that, bro. LLC. Matter of fact, I gotta get the little nigga some business cards, bro. I gotta get the little nigga some business cards, my nigga. No cap. No cap. All right, bet we opening lower. Are we drawing down lower into this 15-minute order block? Damn, the displacement is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. The displacement is crazy. The displacement is crazy. Hey, let me ask y'all something, bro. Cause I'm trying to get to know my chat. I'm trying to get to know my chat, bro. I'm trying to get to know my viewers, bro. When did y'all start trading? How long have y'all been trading, man? How long have y'all been trading, man? How many years? How many months? How far along in y'all's trading journey are y'all, bro? For those who don't know, I'm about a year and some change. So since like last June, I've been trading consistently, bro. Let me know something, bro. How long have y'all been trading, man? Let me know some. My boy said he been trading 5 years for crypto, 1 year for Nas. That's fire, bro. That's fire, bro. What's like, because I be seeing that a lot, bro. Like a lot of day traders who trade like what I'm trading now, like NASDAQ, S&P, Dow Jones, and I mean, or even they go into Forex. They might not go in the future. They might not go in the future. They go into Forex. But a lot of people start off with crypto. For whatever reason, a lot of people start off with crypto. So like if you could, bro, what's the main significant difference for you between crypto day trading and like trading NASDAQ or like, you know, the futures and shit like that? Let me know. What's like the main significant difference, bro? I'm interested to know. Low key, we might take out this 745 75. We might take out this 745 75, bro. That might be what we aiming for. And low key, let me go to a regular trading hours. Good trade. Oh yeah, we did have New Day open gap. All right, that's exactly what we was trading into. Exactly what we were trading into every time. I don't know why I ain't marked. Damn, we ran through that hole. Sheesh. Crypto makes its move and NASDAQ just takes its precious time. You can also stay in a crypto trade a lot longer. Oh, okay. Okay. Probably because you can swing trade crypto and shit. You can probably just swing trade crypto. That makes a whole lot of sense. And I mean, you can swing trade NAS and stuff like that, but like on a live account, only on live accounts and shit. And if I'm not, there's probably not even prop firms for like crypto trading. Is there? Matter of fact, I'm about to look that shit up. Is there? Are there prop firms for crypto? I just lied. There are prop firms for crypto. I never knew that. I did not know that. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. There are prop firms for crypto. But like, are they arranged in the same fashion for somebody who say trades NASDAQ or something? Like, I'm trying to see. Let me go to a prop firm, bro. Let me go to one of these prop firms. BTCC.com. That's a prop firm. What is that? Firm Bright Funded. firm breakout via Kraken. Firm crypto fund trader. Damn, so it's really hella prop firms for crypto. I never knew that. I thought prop firms were only for forex and futures. I thought prop firms were only for forex and futures. I've been misled, bro. I've been misguided, bro. No bull. Like you can really live off it, bro. There's hella. Oh, I don't know personally like people who live off crypto, but like, yeah, bro. Like YouTubers, just like you could, bro. You can go on YouTube and find a random crypto trader who is making a bag off that shit. Like really making a living off crypto, bro. For real. I've just personally never got into crypto because I feel like I don't know. I don't have them. I don't know if I have enough market experience in what I trade now to say what is more volatile. But like just for like say Bitcoin, for example, like that shit, I would never even consider throwing my money in that shit, bro. I wouldn't, maybe like long-term investment, but like day trading, nah, bro. Nah, I don't know, bro. I don't know about that, bro. I don't know enough about that. I don't know enough. I don't know enough. We got 37 seconds till 5-minute candle close. 5-minute candle close. We're starting to see consolidation a little bit. Just a tad, bro. And mind y'all, if y'all was here in the beginning of the stream, I did say I wanted to trade fair value gap entry model. We don't have any fair value gaps down here until 9:44. Get the 3-minute highest lower time frame fair value gap would be okay. So this 9:45. So we come through, rip straight through this hourly gap. And it looks like we're rejecting from this 15-minute order block as well. I just want to see. I also want to see 745 get taken. 745 get taken before I do anything. Consider even looking for anything. I want to see that get taken, bro. No cap. And we're in 955. We're in macro right now. So good, bro. Good, bro. Good, bro. I wouldn't day trade crypto. Yeah, I can probably just assume why. Like I said, it's probably just way too, like, probably because the volatility, right? The volatility, most likely. Something like that. Bro, you know what's crazy? When I first started trading, let me let y'all know something, bro. When I first started trading, bro, I started day trading Ethereum. I was paper trading Ethereum, bro. You know how crazy that is, bro? Like, yo, I was paper trading Ethereum, trying to learn how to day trade. That shit is crazy. Mind you, I was watching TJR learning ICT concepts, trying to day trade Ethereum. That shit sounds so bogus to me, bro. Just thinking back on that shit. Like, dog. That shit is crazy. That shit crazy, dog. That's crazy. And mind you, I went to cause that's when I was like journaling. That's when I was journaling my trades on OneNote and shit. And yesterday I was making like a template for like a new trading journal template, so I didn't have to use like my actual paper journal and shit. So it'll be a lot easier. Bro, I was scrolling up on my trades, like all my past trades back to like last year, bro. Dog, that shit, I was lucky laughing at myself, bro, because it's like, nah, facts. Most people don't even try. Most people don't even try. Gotta start somewhere, fam. Most people don't even try. And it's crazy, bro, because it's like, I'm at a stage in my trading. I'm at a stage in my trading where it's like I know how to trade. It's not like I don't know how to trade. It's just my performance is based off my discipline now. So it's like when I be not even when I be trying to when I have tried to past tense because I don't even try to really put my bros onto this shit no more, bro. I'm gonna be so real. And if they see this shit, oh well, they know the truth just like I do. It's like the first thing they be talking about, oh, is oh, how much money did you make? How much money have you made? I'm like, bro, that don't even matter, bro. It's what you can. It's what nigga. How much money I've made don't matter. It's what you can build off of this shit. It's what you're building off of this shit. And I'm just trying to give you the platform. I'm trying to give you the platform. I'm trying to teach. I'm trying to teach my bros what I know. But it's like they don't even want to. They don't even want to dip their toes in the water, bro. You don't know what the temperature is, bro. How you gonna know what the temperature is? You ain't even dip your toes in yet, bro. It's like people be putting shit off. You know what I mean? Really just speaking of what bro said, most people won't even try. They won't even try, bro. Nah, fam. That shit crazy. I was paper trading Ethereum. Most folks want to be careful. Bro, facts, bro. You know how many people talking about, oh, can I copy trade? Can I copy your trades, bro? Can I copy your trades, bro? I'm like, no. I'm like, no. That's why they ask about payouts. Facts, bro. Because it's like, on top of that, bro, people, I feel like, and you know what? This may be a what's the word? Unreasonable take. Maybe not. I don't know. But like, fam, a lot of folks hate on day trading and they call it that G word, bro. That casino word. I don't even like saying that word when I talk about or talk about trading. I almost slipped up. But it's like they look at it like that, bro. Cause they don't understand that it's real skill behind it, bro. They what they probably see is people just entering into a market. See, all right, I'm gonna reel myself back in and start over. Most people are probably used to like long-term investments, 401k, Roth IRA, that kind of thing. But when it's like short-term, short period of time, like putting your money into something and then taking it out almost, you know what I'm saying, effective immediately, almost damn near like a slot machine or some shit like that. That's how they look at it. Just short pulls, short wins, short gains. You know what I'm saying? That's how they look at that shit. Just spinning the wheel. You know what I'm saying? That's not what it is though. And so it's like when they see that in their mind, bro, it's like they understand that the same principle with a slot machine, you can make a lot of money in a short amount of time, but you're also risking, you're throwing money into it, and the probability of you actually making money is so very small that they hate when people who are successful, they hate when people are actually successful at day trading because it proves their whole entire bias behind day trading wrong, bro. That's my take on it, bro. That's why people hate just the concept of day trading because they know that there are successful people who do that shit and are making their entire salary in a week off of something that they think is just slot machine pulling, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know why people have that framework behind day trading, but it's like it's kind of unfair. It's kind of unfair. It's really unfair. And really the only thing that makes the market a casino is the people who enter the market, bro. The market is never a casino. And I be preaching to people, there's always a time in the market to make money, but not every time in the market is a good time to make money. You see what I'm saying? And some people don't have that understanding. They don't have that understanding, which is why they chase setups, they chase trades, and I'm guilty of it. Everybody watching this stream is guilty of it. Everybody watching this stream, every day trader is guilty of it. Every single last one of us, bro. We're guilty of it, but it's the breakthrough. You get what I'm saying? It's the breakthrough, bro. It's the breakthrough of that mindset that actually makes a day trader profitable. See what I'm saying? Understanding that the market doesn't care how far in drawdown you are. It doesn't care about how much you need to start de-risking. It's still gonna fuck over your trade. You usually risk $1,000. Now you got to de-risk, and now your trade is risking $300. No, they don't care. They gonna still take that 300. They gonna still take that swiper, no swiping. They gonna take that 300, boy. They gonna take it. It's theirs now. It's theirs now. You see what I'm saying? They don't care. The market don't care, bro. And once you have that understanding, bro, once you have once you have a grasp on reality that you can, the only thing you can control as a day trader is how you choose to respond, your emotions, and your discipline. Those are the three things. Damn, I never even thought about it that way until now I'm speaking on it, bro. The only three things we can control as day trading is how we choose to respond, our emotions, and our discipline. And how we choose to respond and our emotions falls into the discipline. You see what I'm saying? It all plays together, bro. That's what makes the day trader profitable. But the people on the looking from a bird's eye point of view, and I'm saying I caught the long just now. I got out at 29,870. Hell yeah. Good shit, my boy. Good shit. Good shit. Low key, we are coming back up to this breaker block right here. Because we completely ran through this 5-minute order block right here. We got 17 minutes till candle close. I do kind of want to see if we close above this 9:45 minute candle. But low key, bro, it's like we see a crazy rejection off of this 15-minute order block. So I'm like, but we didn't take 745.75. We also did not take that hourly low from yesterday 6 p.m. open. We did not take that Asia low. So I don't know, bro. I really might just wait. All right, we did not close above 940. We did not close above 940, y'all. We did not close above 940. This might be confirmation of continuation to the downside. So now I'm low-key about to look for inversion of 10 a.m. plus this consolidation right here kind of tells me I think this little bullish move or whatever the fuck this was is slowing down, and we might continue lower. So I do want to see an inversion of this gap right here. I do want to see an inversion of this gap. So that we can come down to 745. Will we get that? I don't know. We might actually be respecting this 1 minute gap. This 10 o'clock gap. We might actually be respecting it. See, we might be moving towards my bias, because mind you, my bias initially was the most bullish anyway. We starting to run. Low key, that probably should have been my entry, bro. We inverse this 5-minute gap. We literally inverse this 5-minute gap. Then we see a respect of this 1 minute gap. That should have been my entry. That low key should have been my entry, but it's like, where would my stop loss be? I wouldn't feel comfortable taking an entry off of that just because my stop loss wouldn't be tight enough for me. Oh no. Stop loss wouldn't be tight enough for me. Oh, that's a short. Stop loss wouldn't be tight enough. If I was to enter like off of this 50% right here, like, yeah, I don't know, bro. I genuinely don't know. I really do not know, bro. Throwing me for a loop right now. Fed chair is starting to speak. Oh, Warsh is speaking at 10 o'clock. Facts. I did peep that. You know what? I'm glad something told me not to do that. Something told me not. I heard a voice. Something told me not to do that. All glory to G. All glory to God, bro. For real. Might get the pullback. Pullback bearish? You mean? Like pullback to the downside? But also it's like if we want to go highest lower time frame inversion, that would be this 9:45 a.m. inverse fair value gap right here. If anything, nah, bro. Nah, bro. Cause it's like, nah, bro. Cause even if I had my stop below this low right here, this 5-minute low, and price comes down to this gap right here, who knows if price will want to come down and take out this 745. We haven't taken out higher time frame liquidity yet. I'm just not. I'm not certain, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it, bro. I'm trying to be safe. To the downside, hell yeah. Even is. Oh, we come up and tap this 5-minute gap. We respect this 5-minute gap with. Oh, low key. I take this short right here. I think I might take this short right here. I could just be dead wrong, as I say. I could just be dead wrong, get stopped out. But it's like we see a massive wick. We see see this 10 a.m. bullish candle right here. Wick's crazy inside of this 940. But we see a crazy wick right here. Then we come up. We still continue higher. We tap into this the lower quadrant of this 5-minute gap, and then we leave a big wick down. So it's like I do kind of want to see some displacement to the downside, just because of those two things. Those are my confirmations. Those are my confirmation. And it's like, no. Where could we go break it? Right here. I feel like that's safe. And then we inverse down on 1006 1006 fair value gap. Inverse to the downside. Low key. Damn, I didn't even take because I know this shit. Two, 5, profit. Is at 29,894. 29,894. How much are we risking? Look at the 50. Ah, that's what we like. That's what we like, bro. Look at this rejection. Look at this rejection, y'all. Look at this rejection right here. Look at this rejection. That shit is crazy. Peep. Peep. I appreciate that, bro. That just let me know something. Yes. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot, actually. I like that a lot, actually. I like that a lot, actually. Ooh. The one. Wait for. Did we reach high time frame drawn liquidity? No, not. But team had the confirmation though. Had the... All right, now based on the reasons that I just presented to y'all. Do y'all feel like that was an A+ setup based on the reasons I just gave? Because 5-minute 10 a.m. big wick left inside of this 940. Then we see 5-minute wick lower quadrant of 935 with major rejection wick on the 15-minute. I think it's smooth, bro. I think it's smooth, bro. I just moved my stop loss to 29,824. 20. You moving your stop loss. Right. Me personally, I would have it above that 10-14 fair value gap. His price would want. That's just me though. That's just me. Plus, on top of that, that inversed 10 a.m. 1-minute candle. So that is the inverse fair value gap. Price could want to wick into that, completely just stop you out or make. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy. It literally just came up to that level. I don't see what. All right, why the FVG entry? That was the model I traded. FVG entry. Why was this A+ on the 5-minute? 10 a.m. The AM candle a direction or inside of 940 40 followed by the 9 10 10:05 and go lower 35 a.m. 5 then okay, what is price even kind of consolidating? Are trading inside of a 5 gap. We could very well be respecting it and want to show continuation to the upside from the upper quadrant of this 15-minute order block. Bro, market could want to do that. The charts could want to do that right now as we speak. It could want to do that. I took another short at 29,825. Yeah, because that's probably where you enter. 9, 8. Okay. Oh, bet. So like right at the at the low of that inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute and stop loss at 8:30. Okay, so the high of that 1017 can or that wick high. That wick high. Hey man. Hey man, stay. We might have a beautiful trade. This might play out to be a beautiful trade, fam. This may just play out to be a beautiful trade down to this low, down to this 745. Down to the 745. This may just play out. Snap it up. Give me some snaps, yo. Give me some snaps. Give me some snaps. I need one more bullet point. Oh, this was A plus trade. I'm trying to. Oh, on the 15-minute, we see massive rejection. Oh, actually, we hit 50%. We hit 50% of. Okay, bet. We hit 50% of 930 15-minute 15-minute for value gap. Price came up and wicked consequent encroachment of 9:30 a.m. fair value gap. Wow, there we go. Those are my 3 reasons why this was an A plus trade. Let's fucking go! Let's go! What we talking about? Yes, we do this shit. A plus trade. A plus trade. W's in the chat, man. W's in the chat. Hey, if y'all took this trade with me, snap it up. W's in the chat, man. W's in the chat. Let me screenshot this. Put it in my journal real fast. Let me put this in my journal real fast, bro. Yes, bro. W's in the chat, bro. This is what we love to see, fam. This is what we love to see. Matter of fact, I'm about to put this in I gotta put this in print team, bro. I gotta put this shit in print team too. Gotta put this shit in print team. Let me. Yes, bro. This is what we do, fam. This is what we do, fam. No cap. This is what we do, fam. Yes. This is what we do, fam. Trade taken by Dream. Yes. I ain't gonna lie, this is low-key the smoothest NASDAQ trade I've ever taken. This might actually be like one of my best trades. I'm not gonna lie. Like, best, and I'm talking about like performance-wise. I'm not even talking about P and damn! Why we dropping like this? Why we dropping? Holy fuck. Why are we dropping like this? Yo, this bit flushing. Anyways, I'm talking about like not even P&L. I'm talking about like performance-wise, like discipline-wise. Skipped out on like 2-3 entries I could have took to take this beautiful setup. Low-key, this was the A+ trade for me. I'm talking about like screw the P&L, fam. A+ trade. That was a beautiful trade. I ain't gonna lie. Low-key, let me go back to the hourly. Oh, we do low-key have this hourly gap right here that we already tapped into, but I mean, what could we possibly be trying to go lower to though? Damn, chat. Damn, chat. What could hey, drop in the chat. What do y'all? We could go to 29,560. 29,560. 29,560. Oh, low key, yeah, cause I did peep that pre-market when I was doing my little chart analysis. We have this range of consolidation. Price was ranging right here. Price was ranging right here. So this is one thing I'm starting to notice as I'm just, racking up my hours in the market, getting the market experience. Chart, or not the chart, but price does like to come back to areas of consolidation. Price of like ranging. You know what I'm saying? Or like areas of accumulation. Get what I mean? So that is something I'm starting to notice more and more often as I get my hours up in the market, bro. And it's actually laying out quite like see even down to the 5 minute, even down to the 5 minute Pete, we're ranging Asia, we range Asia into London, then we come up. Where's market open? Market opens lower. We have market open, mind you, this is Tuesday, this is literally yesterday, my nigga. This is yesterday. We open lower, we start to range again, we start ranging on the 5 minute, we open, or we draw down into this this range of consolidation. And mind you, how I just said on the 5 minute, we're ranging right here. We come back up to this level, make more equal highs, come back down. We come back down and we see, bro, damn chat, we coming to epiphanies. We coming to epiphanies here. Hold on. Wait a minute. Matter of fact, hold on, nah, because now Hold on. I gotta screenshot this. I need to remember this. This is data. This is collected data right here. This is ball knowledge. This is acquired ball knowledge right here. Data collection, my nigga. Hold on. What are we talking about? Hey, hold on, bro. Let me. Nah, hold on. I gotta add some annotations though. I gotta add like some notes so I know what the hell I'm looking at. Or else I'm not gonna know what I took it for. All right, so bet. Range price starts to range from Asia into London sesh. All right, into London sesh, right? Boom, we see ranging from Asia to London sesh. Then pre-market, we see a break to the upside. Pre-market breaks to the upside. And if I'm not mistaken, one of my boys in my in a trading Discord, I'm pretty sure there's a name for this. I'm pretty sure there's a name for this move. I'm pretty sure there's a name for that move. I just don't know what that is. I think there's a name for that move. I just don't know what that is. But pre-market breaks to the upside. We then start to see some consolidation upon market open. Upon 9:30 market open, we see consolidation on the 5-minute. Okay, I'm about to wrap text. All right. Oh, don't wrap text. All right. 9:30 market open. We see consolidation on the 5-minute, right? Then we see price come down into this range. Then we see price come down into this range of accumulation. This range of accumulation. What we talking about? Hey, we come down back into this range of accumulation, creating a rejection gap. Not a rejection gap, but a rejection block. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. I mean, you could say it's that. If you didn't, all right, so if you're not implementing the concept of consolidation right here, and you wanted to play off of this 5-minute order block, you could say this is a rejection gap, rejecting off of this 5-minute order block. That's exactly what you could say, right? But for the sake of using this consolidation concept, we're going to say off of this range of accumulation. Then we see price come back up. Then we see price come back up into this range of consolidation that we saw after 9:30 open. After 9:30 open. Bro, this shit actually crazy. This shit is actually crazy how this like plays off of each other. I never really understood like that's what the market be doing, bro. That's crazy. Now I'm about to screenshot this. Now I'm about to cut this out. I'm about to cut that out. Put that in some notes, bro. No bull. But nah, man, low key, beautiful trade, and we just learned something today. This is what we live for, bro. Beautiful trade, and we learned something today. Confirmation of continuation on the 1-minute. Confirmation of continuation to the downside on the 1-minute. We respect this 1-minute gap. Likely gonna see an inversion of this 1-minute gap. This 10.27. For those who like to play off a continuation, you could take a trade off of here right now. I would wait though. I would wait to see an inversion of 1027 and see if we can come back up to that level. But we are starting to see, I mean, are starting to see, we are starting to see some of that right there, some of that kind of action. But all in all, I feel like coming up to these wicks might be what we're rejecting. Coming down to these wicks might be what we're rejecting off of. And I don't trade like double bottom, double top, that bullshit. I don't trade that. But I'd be lying if I said we didn't just make a double bottom. You know what I mean? Like that's what we did. We have the V shape right here. We have the V and we have the double bottom. So I mean, if you wanted to take a scalp long off of that, you could. I wouldn't. That's not the model I trade. That's not what I trade. And on top of that, you don't see an inversion of this 1027, but we get an inversion of this 1031. Hey, I'm just the messenger, bro. 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 But hey, low key, beautiful trade, beautiful setup, amazing exercise of discipline and patience. My boy Black God, he been tracking his trades in the chat. I've been seeing where he been going short, where he been going long. So based off what he been telling me, he did take some pretty good trades. My boy Black God took some pretty good trades from what I can see. So kudos to him. Snap it up from my boy Black God in the chat, bro. You love to see that, bro. I love to see good performance and trading from my other day traders in the chat, bro. So all in all, I think that was a pretty good trading session, bro. So with that being said, I appreciate everybody who tuned into the stream, for coming out, showing out, trading good. You know what I mean? This is what we live for. This is what we live for, bro. This is what we live for, bro. That is what we live for, bro. That is what we live for, bro. No cap. But hey, if you already took a trade, I don't know how many trades y'all take, but hey, I don't know how many trades y'all like to take. But if it's a one and done, step away from the charts, fam. Exercise that discipline, lock yourself out, bro. Now I mean, exercise those good habits. And with that being said, I will catch y'all on the flip side. Peace out.